Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Master Your English. It's going to be the fourth video of Mastering Your Vocabulary with Easiest Way series. We have already covered 7 root words and we are going to do 2 more today. Without wasting more time, let's get started. Okay, now 8th root word is C-R-I or A-C-E-R. Whenever you see this root word, it means bitter, sour or sharp. Let's discuss the words which are related to this root word. First word is acrid. Acrid is on adjective. It means sharp, bitter. For example, the acrid smoke from the fire made everyone eyes make water. You can understand here the word acrid here. You can see, you can imagine here the word acrid. It means bitter or sharp. Second word is acrimonious. Acrima means large one adjective. It makes angry, bitter, or speech or behavior. Means the angry or bitter behavior of someone. For example, after the divorce, their conversation were acrimonious, filled with harsh words. And in acrimonious word, you will also note the root word acri. So it means it must be related to bitter. So it is also related to bitter. Means bitter speech or angry speech. Third word is acerbic. Acerbic means sharp or sarcastic in manner. For example, her acerbic remarks during the debate left everyone stunned. You will also note the word acer in this word, acerbic. So it is related to short. Acerbic means sharp or sarcastic in manner. Now the fourth word is acerbate. It's a verb which means to make worse or irritate. For example, he acerbated everyone by using flattery words. Means acerbate means to make worse or irritate somebody something. That's like acer, A-C-E-R. It's a root word here. It means it is related to irritate. Now fifth word is exacerbate. Exacerbate, which is a word what means to make a problem worse. For example, yelling at him will only exacerbate his anxiety. Or you will also note one thing, essay. So you must know how to remember these are. Just remember the one word that is acid or acre. The other words will automatically be remembered. Okay, now let's move toward the ninth root for that is pan. P-A-N. Whenever you see this root word in anywhere, in any word related with all, let's discuss the more words which are related to it. First word is panacea. P-1-A-C-E-A. It's a noun which means a solution for all difficulties or all diseases. It is called panacea. Here you will note one thing, pan means all. And the meaning is also related with all. The solutions for all diseases. It means panacea. Second word is pandemonium. Here you will see one word pan. Pan means all. Pandemonium means where all thoughts mix together. Means confusion, uproar, chaos, turmoil, etc. For example, there was complete pandemonium. Everyone just panicked. Okay, now third word is pantheist. Pantheist. You must but theist means one who believes in some in God or etc. Pan means one who believe in all gods. We call that person a pantheist. Pantheist. Now the fourth word is pandemic. Pandemic is a noun which means a disease affecting all people. Pan means all, dem means people. a disease which is affecting all people we call pandemic. Sixth word is panorama, a wide, unbroken view of everything. Panorama means a wide, unbroken view of everything. For example, the hotel's rooftop offered a breathtaking panorama of the city. Now the fifth word is pantheon. Pantheon means all the gods of a culture. A grand temple. Pan means all, theon means it is related to with God. Means pantheon is a noun which means all the gods of a culture. Congratulations, friend. You have covered 9 root words and more than 60 words of English language. So keep practicing, keep learning, and also remember one thing, that is root word. Always remember root word and others word will be remembered automatically. When you know the root word, you can easily break that word in small dose and take the meaning. That's why root word is very important. I didn't thought I didn't think any other method to remember this vocabulary without this will. So try try it, practice it. Subscribe to our channel for getting the new videos of this series, mastering your vocabulary with easiest way. Thank you so much for watching, and also thank you so much for supporting us.